Okay, a lot of people are getting massive sticker shock right now with their property tax bills, and a lot of people are going to try to fight that. You have until March 31st, if you live in Hamilton County, for instance, to fight your appraisal with the Board of Revision. And a lot of people are going to be hiring an appraiser to help them out with that. So we have Steve Papin with us today, and you've been in this business for 47 years.
I have.
You've seen it all.
Well, you like to think so. I've seen a lot in 47 years.
And you've seen them go way up this year. You're getting a lot of calls. Not everyone should or will hire an appraiser, but if I want to, how do I start? How do I find someone who really knows what they're doing?
There's probably at least 4 suggestions in terms of finding an appraiser. And the first one would be to talk to your mortgage lender. Mortgage lenders work with appraisers constantly, and they have credentialed people that are well qualified. The second source would be to talk to your real estate agent. If you have a real estate practitioner relationship, they are exposed to appraisers quite often as well. One quite simple is to just search on the internet and include your location so that you hopefully find an appraiser that's geographically competent, not just in general in greater Cincinnati, but in whatever neighborhood your property's in. And another easy way, which ties you to some experienced appraisers, is to go to the Ohio Coalition of Appraisal Professionals website, OCAP, O-C-A-P, Ohio, ocapohio.com. Find the Cincinnati chapter or the Dayton chapter just north of us. And you click on the chapter. There's a contact button there that will send an email to one of the chapter leaders. There's also a roster of appraisers that are members in the Cincinnati area in Dayton, and that will give you some names to get you started on your research.
I know you said on average you can expect to spend about $500, give or take. And you're not going to take every case. First of all, you're very busy right now. People need to call right away because they're getting a lot of phone calls.
And the other thing, Paula, is you've only got to the end of March to get this done. And every cycle we go through, somebody calls us with, on March 27th, and they want to get an appraisal, and that's not usually going to be enough time. And we get busier as the spring opens up in our profession in general. So working on finding an appraiser soon will benefit you. You'll be able to get that report in if it's helpful to you and have plenty of time to get things turned into the Board of Revision.
And the final point, I hope everybody saw the piece I did on how to fight your property taxes just because you think the value isn't what you like. If the value is what it's real in your neighborhood, what your house could really sell for, hiring an appraiser is not going to get you an answer you're going to like, right?
Probably not going to benefit you, because we have to advocate or appraise for the most accurate number that we can come up with, which is reflective of what that house would sell for as of, again, the tax date of January 1st, 2023. That's the estimate of value that the counties are working with and what we would be focusing on in an appraisal.
In other words, he has to be honest. It's a painful process. No one's happy about getting that bill. Good luck to you if that's what you're going to fight, and thanks for joining us.